Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm you have the Authy app on a device, stable internet, and the phone number registered to the account. Once done, open Authy and attempt to restore the backup. Authy immediately asks for the backup password. You should try likely passwords now, but do this deliberately. Avoid lockout attempts. Make a short list in a Secure Notes app, noting variations, capitalizations, or added symbols. Next, we move to structured password recovery steps. Now you perform systematic testing. Start with exact phrases you commonly use, then apply one change at a time, add a year, insert a symbol, or swap letters for numbers. Make sure to test variations like initial capitals or trailing digits. This reduces random attempts and increases success probability. If you reach Authy's attempt limit, pause and wait per their rate rules. Once a candidate works, Authy will decrypt the backup and restore tokens, so be precise and patient during this middle. Finally, when a password decrypts the backup, verify each token by logging into services and updating any out-of-date codes. Once confirmed, immediately change the backup password to a strong, memorable passphrase and store it in a password manager. Make sure to enable device backups carefully and revoke old devices if present. If none of your attempts work, contact Authy support with account proof. Expect identity verification steps. Key troubleshooting tip: if rate limits block you, wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.